Hey everyone, tired of the market's roller coaster? One day you're winning big, the next, boom, a crash wipes it out. But what if your portfolio could survive anything? Meet the Cockroach Portfolio, inspired by the toughest creature on Earth. Did you know? A cockroach can live a week without its head, hold its breath for 40 minutes, and even survive a month without food. Pretty wild, right? That same idea inspired the Cockroach Portfolio, an investing strategy built to survive anything the market throws at you. Most people invest for growth, mostly stocks, maybe some bonds. That works when the economy's booming, but when things go bad, it crashes hard. It only wins in about half the economic situations. What we need is a portfolio built to survive anything. The Cockroach Portfolio, made famous by Dylan Grice, isn't about picking industries. It's about preparing for every kind of economic weather. No matter what's happening in the world, something in your portfolio should always be working. The strategy's super simple. Split your money 25% each into 4 assets, each one built to handle a different kind of economy. The growth quadrant, that's your offense. It's 25% in stocks that shine when the economy's growing and hold steady when times get tough. Think consumer staples, food, toothpaste, soap, and utilities like power and water. People always need them, no matter what. Inflation quadrant with 25% gold or commodities is your protection. When prices are rising and your currency is buying less inflation, gold holds its value. You can invest in physical gold, mining stock, or ETC funds as an example. Recession quadrant with 25% cash or short-term treasury bills is your liquidity and ultimate safety. When the whole system is collapsing, cash is king for weathering the storm. You may have cash or invest in money market funds as an example. 25% long-term government bonds performs great during a slowdown or a period of falling prices in a deflationary environment. Corporate bonds like high-yield or investment-grade bonds can also be invested. Why does it work? It's all about the magic of uncorrelation. These 4 assets don't move together. When stocks crash, bonds or gold often rise. The winners balance out the losers, keeping your portfolio steady. You're not chasing huge returns. Instead, your portfolio is built for survival. What's the secret sauce? Rebalancing. Once a year, just reset everything back to 25%. Did your gold soar? Sell a little and buy the cheap, depressed stocks. Did stocks crash? Sell some of your stable bonds to buy cheap stocks. This forces you to follow the most important rule of investing. Buy low, sell high. Key takeaway: the Cockroach Portfolio isn't for those chasing the next 10-bagger. It's for the investor who values sleep-at-night stability and wants to compound wealth reliably for decades without having to predict the next crisis. My aim is to share what I learned, and I try to break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand doodles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.